I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the continue element so you can safely remove it. Open Roblox Studio, load your place, and make a backup immediately. Once done, enable Explorer and Properties if they are hidden, then search the whole project for the word Continue. Inspect matches under Starter GUI and Player GUI. Identify whether it's a text button, frame, or a script-generated GUI. Make sure you note any scripts that create or toggle that GUI so you can remove or modify them next. Now remove or neutralize the code that shows Continue. If it's a static text button, either delete the instance from Starter GUI or set its visible property to false. This persists to new players. If a script spawns it, open that script, locate create/clone or parent assignments, and comment out or remove those lines. Once modified, play test in Studio, play and play here to confirm it no longer appears. Make sure to check both server scripts and local scripts, because local scripts can recreate GUI on the client side. Finish by thoroughly testing and publishing the fix. Run Play Solo and Play here to see client and server behavior. Make sure the Continue GUI is gone for first-time and returning players. Once confirmed, publish the place and keep your backup version available. If you still see Continue, rerun a global search for the string. Check for remote events that recreate GUI, clear Studio cache, and verify Starter GUI entries aren't being copied at runtime by server code. That single check usually resolves most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.